Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will explain about record management practitioner, important skill for record center development. The list is our group member. Here are table of content.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafisa Husna. I will explain about the abstract. The administration of information in a record center throughout its life cycle, from the moment of production or reception until its final disposition, is known as record management. Identifying, categorizing, storing, safeguarding, retrieving, tracking, and deleting of permanently preserving documents are all parts of this process. The goal is to create a system that is organized, efficient, and easy to use, resulting in efficient and effective administration of the company's activities. The finding shows that the practitioners in record management should have true grasp of the methodologies and procedures needed to develop, create, and execute records management solutions that fulfill the record center's goals. The study also found that they in charge of performing in-depth analysis of major topics and difficulties in today's technology world. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sarbiah binti Bahari. I want to present the introduction. A record center is a building or part of a building designed or adapted for the storage, maintenance, and communication of partial current records at low cost pending final disposal. The record center supports the entire records management process from records collection to records management to records disposal. Records management can be classified as a professional discipline that results from a study of the nature professionalism. The professionalization of higher disciplines has gained momentum with the development of electronic records, which yield new and different theories and knowledge. Record management needs to be guided by a group and professionals in this field to ensure good record keeping. Record management is very difficult if not identified, recorded, and unrealistic because it expects end users to be highly skilled record keepers by spending their time keeping records perfectly. That's all. Thank you.
Future development of record center. Until recently, record management mostly consists of file system and physical record for keeping vast amount of data. However, record management system must adapt given that the majority of business are digitizing system and automation. The world today is witnessing record increasingly undergoing a changing from record-based to a digital format. According to Gunawan, this development will give a big impact to the record center. The development of information communication (ICT) had an impact on all business transactions, particularly those involving computer or other electronic device. Customer satisfaction and service quality are important factors for record center to consider in order to stay competitive in their industry. All staff at the record center need to be given course and training so that they can master new technology easily. The staff at the record center must have various skills, not only skill in record management, but they should also have a high skill in the field of ICT.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nofaroida and I will continue our next slide in suggestion. Skill development. Training and skill is a set of acts intended to enhance a person's skills, knowledge and competency. Some essential skills and talents are necessary to develop the sound of e-record keeping methods. Records and information management, technology, managerial, and project management abilities are just a few examples of talents and competence. Next slide in quality and technology. The technologies that needed for practitioner is First, functional classification records. The fundamental approach is functional classification, which is utilized for record categorization and may also be used for a chip organization. The use of function classification can increase an organization's overall effectiveness. It is possible to perceive the efficacy of functional classification as anecdote. Okay, next, in electronic record management. A powerful and high-quality electronic records management system may aid policy and decision-making, service delivery, and also corporate information demands in order to achieve duties and obligations. Effective e-record management can only improve service delivery and also promote accountability and transparency in business. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Siti Suhaida binti Norhan. I will explain the discussion from this journal article chosen from our team members about how workers' skill and technology can improve record science. As we know, regulatory environment influences record-keeping practices, but workers' skills and technology also affect productivity enhancement in any organization. As Aziz and Yatin 2015 state, a circle model comprising 5 generic dimensions, which is tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy, has been developed by the CRC company in Malaysia, used to measure the service quality and customer satisfaction in commercial records. Circle is believed to help CRC firms compete primarily based on service pattern, service quality, and customer expectation against the services provided. Johari and Nosrek 2011 stated that the education and training by the Electronic Government Malaysia to the IT personnel and record managers in Malaysia are given serious attention as they are key players in the nation record keeping to meet the challenges in managing electronic record. A research study found that EG was extended to a wide range of functions by the Malaysian government to include the day-to-day operation of 24 federal ministries and 118 federal departments, and the delivery of a wide range of electronic services to 24 million citizens. As we can see that archivists in the National Archives of Malaysia play a major role in managing paper records, carry out the daily administrative responsibilities for the ER generated and retained to preserve them. Computer technology skills are required among archivists to prepare minutes, personal records, and correspondences. The use of computer in daily work automatically allows archivists to create and maintain their own ER efficiently. Significantly, the guidance of ER is highly desirable in supporting the roles and responsibilities of the archivists from National Archives of Malaysia. Without the right knowledge and skills of archivists on ERM, Malaysian archival heritage is in risky custody. Moreover, Pekelen and Hepponen 2016 revealed in Finland organization, the expertise of record-keeping practice is required on users' part of the same functional classification scheme structure in designing an AMS in registration and the filing as they are seen as the best practice by professionals. Gunawan et al. Stated that the eSpark project developed by NAM aims to ensure that government institutions face minimum inconvenience while handling ER. Murray Resource 2011 support in his statement, work will be completed more efficiently with fewer administrative headaches and at a lower cost by bringing in the right personnel. Yatin et al. 2018 argued the staff competence to perform services and their ability to inspire customer loyalty will attract more customers and affect the company profitability. Therefore, a good combination of customer services, the company reputation, technology skill, and staff competence definitely will be able for further development of record center services entirely. Furthermore, professional awareness and training, information management and technology innovation for record management practitioners are essential to enhance archivists' pattern the actual use of the RMS standards before they use them. That is all from me about the discussion part. Next is the conclusion part from our team members. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Fadilah and I will present about the conclusion of our article. In order to make organizations that practice world-class records management practitioners must maintain records that meet legal and regulatory requirements. They must have or be able to develop an in-depth understanding of their field of work and the applications used, especially in the use of electronic document and records management systems or EDRMS. They should master knowledge of the life cycle of records and consider the questions that arise in managing that life cycle and learn to evaluate records content and structure. Along with the development of information technology, they should be sensitive to the details of the technology being developed and how that can help their skills to further improve record activities and transactions in their daily work routines. With the rapid advent of technology, most of the organizations have started the implementation of EDRM systems with varying degrees of success. Therefore, records management practitioners should have an in-depth understanding of the techniques and steps to plan, implement and execute records management solutions to meet their specified organizational objectives. They are also responsible for conducting in-depth analysis of key issues and challenges faced in the current technological environment. It is critical or mandatory to standardize technology systems that produce sufficient electronic records to ensure that electronic records can be preserved for long-term use. They need to understand about the requirements of information technology standards and electronic records management standards. That's all from me. Thank you.